Hi there, I'm Grace Cantwell, co-founder of Drone Cadets, and we're just so excited to be here today at District 13 because this really supports our mission of exposing young people to technology as young as we can.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tony Reed here from Drone Cadets. We are here at the Brooklyn Navy Yard on the 9th floor for District 13's annual STEM Expo. We were invited here to do the following: show students the possibilities of what drones could do.
When you contract with Drone Cadets, we bring in these tablets, and these tablets control a whole host of different types of drones. And not only are we teaching kids about drones, we're also teaching them how to read weather reports. Because if you're going to be flying outside, you need to be able to check the weather. You need to know your wind and weather before you're flying outside. You also need to know if you're even allowed to fly outside, because we're not allowed to fly our drones anywhere we want anymore.
We got students everywhere, drones flying, it's the best time. This is what we love.
My name is Faye Little. I'm a newest member of Drone Cadets. I am a certified private pilot, commercial pilot, and licensed drone instructor. So I'm newest on board, just here to teach kids how to fly and to have a good time.
Hi, I'm Robin Stipak.
And I'm Will Ashburn.
And we are here today at the Drone Expo. I've been doing drones since I was about 12 years old.
I've been doing drones for a few weeks.
Yeah, he's pretty new to the team, but we're super excited today to just have some fun, fly some drones around, and show kids the amazing opportunities that can happen with drones, the jobs that you can do, the amazing ways that we can change the world through the power of drone technology.